Welcome to the Nural Sales app tutorial series. In this series, we'll guide you step by step through the various features and modules of the Nural Sales application. Let's get started.
Begin by opening the Nural Sales app on your mobile device. From the main dashboard, tap on the Retail Visit tile to access the Retail Visit module. We'll start with a retailer visit. Select the type as retailer, then choose the store from the list where you are currently visiting. Next, tap on Check-in. You will now see the store dashboard, which displays key sales information for that retailer, including yesterday's sales, month-to-date sales, counter share, and much more. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on the Update Visit Form button. A form will appear with two sections, one for visit details and another for the audit. Fill in all the required fields in the form and submit it. Once confirmed, the next screen will display a Begin Audit button. Tap Begin Audit to start the audit process. Answer all the questions, upload images wherever required, and submit the audit once completed. After that, a discussion form will appear. Here, you can record details about your discussion or meeting with the retailer. This is the final step in completing your retail visit. Submit and confirm the form. Finally, tap on the Checkout button to complete your retail visit for that store. You can repeat this process to conduct multiple visits in a single day. Now, let's move to New Prospect. To add a new prospect, select New Prospect from the drop-down menu. Fill in all the required details, such as store name, location, contact information, and other business details. Once all the information is entered, tap Submit to save the prospect. To review your submitted data, go to the Search tab. Here, you can view all your previously recorded retail visits and new prospect entries. Use the Date filter or Retailer filter to quickly find specific visit data or details for a particular retailer. That's it. You've now learned how to conduct a retail visit, add a new prospect, and view your visit records in the Nural Sales application. Thank you for using Nural Sales.